Afternoon, Dean Davison, liveweatherblogs.com meteorologist here with your update on this nor'easter and update on Tomas. We're going to take a look first at this nor'easter. You can see this is a radar via zoom radar. A low pressure system sitting off the Carolina coast. We have this rainfall getting pushed back, and you see where the heaviest rainfall is right now. The Carolinas here and up in Virginia, up through around Rockville, Maryland. This is all pushing to the northeast at this time as we speak. All right, we'll take a look out further on the National Weather Service radar. And here's a little closer outlook. You can see the low pressure, like I said, is off the Carolina coast at this point. It's pushing in all this precipitation off the ocean, back in towards the mainland. We've got some sleet and mixed with the rain up in the mountains in parts of New York. Heavier rain near the Philadelphia area. We got the rain starting to stop back towards Roanoke at this point, but this will also keep continuing. A lot of light rain and mist along the mountains because of the orographic lift situation. We have to also watch out for changing over some snow showers back in West Virginia, as we have a chance tomorrow. We'll go into that later on tonight on our overnight outlook. But definitely this area in New Jersey is going to get soaked still. It's still moving generally to the north and east. It's the direction of the movement of the rainfall, with the low sitting off the Carolina coast. Like I said, the low will then move up into about this region. The heavier rain will switch into Boston and that area, and Maine eventually. Maine getting a lot of rain also right at this point. A lot of onshore flow, a lot of onshore fetch at this point. And so we have the low pressure there. The 998 low up here. We have another low developing down South Carolina, so we have triple lows here, not including Tomas. We go a little further. We got 3 lows still. It's triple low. And we got a 997 low form off the coast tomorrow, but a lot of the precipitation, when it gets down to 986, will be in Maine and offshore, with the wraparound heavier winds and precipitation, which will then give the snow shower probability out here in the mountain areas, and the winds coming in from the west. You're going to get a lot of wind tomorrow to make up for this, and it'll move north, and finally off the shore as the high pressure builds in. Tomas currently is located south of Jamaica. Moving now to the north, we're projecting path, and you'll see the National Hurricane Center actually takes it up and then out to sea. Some of the computer models are actually pushing it in more of a northeasterly direction, so we'll have to see how this all plays out. Still a little unknown when it gets above the Bahamas at this point. Sorry about that, people. A little bit slow on this. Here it is. Projections here. We have Haiti under hurricane warning. Tropical storm warnings here in Jamaica and parts of the areas of Cuba. We have the east part of Cuba is under hurricane warning. Part of the Bahamas, Turk and Caicos also. And it also says by this time it'll be south of Bermuda and a extratropical system by 7 a.m. Tuesday. That's National Hurricane Center projected path. Cuba still, Bermuda is still in the projections, still possibly take some kind of a hit, but it probably will be a subtropical system at that point, or not even tropical at all, a cold core system, and it turns over. The front pushing off the coast, and the shear values, but it pushes and blows apart. All right, let's take a look at the satellite picture. Here's Tomas. Center circulation is located in about that general direction. You see Moses is a east side system. Most of the precipitation is on the east side. Here's Haiti over here. Jamaica up here. You see a lot of this dry air intrusion here on the western side of the system. That's not going to make it strengthen very quickly. West side intrusion is going to make it hard to strengthen. So it may be trying to recirculate into another area. This has changed its central position multiple times during this path. You also see 2 things that are interesting. You see the center circulation here. Like I said, it has a dry air intrusion. But what else comes out interesting to you? To me, another interesting area is back here. This has its own low. You can see, and that's pretty interesting in my view. We got northeast winds here, north winds. So this is definitely projecting the southeast winds up here on Cuba. So you can see we have definitely the way the flow is going here. And it looks like it's trying to get itself better organized. It's just giving itself a very hard time at this point to get itself extremely strong before it makes possible landfall in Cuba and towards Turks and Caicos. Water's still very warm in here. So that's been a quick look at the tropics at this time. Stay with liveweatherblogs.com for your latest in all weather information. We are 11 days from the winter outlook. Join me tonight on Live Weather Blogs Overnight Outlook. And until then, Dean D. Davison, liveweatherblogs.com meteorologist, and have a great day.